So this morning I woke up to a Spanish man screaming at me, and I was at my friend's house, and that's about it. I wish I knew what happened last night.
Hello? Okay, I'll just, I guess a small order of curly fries is all. Yeah. Just, that's it. Yeah, looks great. Thank you. Fine. So no. How much? 2 something? I got this.
Small curly fries, right?
Huh? Yeah. $3.
Boy, I sure am hungry.
I am hungry too. Thank you.
Suck it, bitch!
It's so drunk they're making out at the party.
Wait, aren't they brother and sister?
Yeah, that's the gross thing about it.
Oh. Now what?
That's the question I've asked since I was a kid. Why am I on this earth? Why did God pick me from the other millions of sperm that be on this earth? What made me so special? And what am I doing with that gift? Just sitting around smoking a pipe? God knows. God, does he know if he's there? All these philosophies have been shoved down my throat since I was young. Maybe I should stray away from religion and just be an atheist, like my friend Matt. Matt seems happy, writing poems and fucking chicks left and right like it's nobody's business. Oh man, Matt's a fucking train wreck. Mom's pregnant, threw him out of the house. At least I have a roof. But what if that roof caught fire and I was trapped inside and I had a choice between all my records and my brother to save? Damn, I'd choose those records. And I'd play them at his funeral. Well, funeral, he wouldn't really have one. More like, we would just bury him in the ground somewhere and hope that vultures don't come and eat him. That's what why means to me.
Oh my god.
I can't just tell them. What do they want from you? I don't even know.
It's not that bad being homeless, Blake. It's not that bad.
It's okay.
It's not that bad.
It's not as easy as it seems. You might you don't know nothing about me. We're dealing with the gang.
These are so...
Okay, but
I love these things.
Ah, what the fuck, man?
Jimmy. You awake? Yeah, he's asleep. Jamie.
Today, I want to check on
Jamie, I'm cold.
She's in a new place on her own.
I'm cold.
For her safety, she hasn't told anyone where she's located.
That's better.